I didn't know that because I needed a landing page.
No. Your landing page is lead ads on Facebook. Lead ads is essentially a landing page within Facebook. You don't need landing pages.
Lead ads is essentially a landing page on Facebook.
What lead ads is when you click it, you basically run the ad copy and then you say, okay, I want to click this. And then it pops up a window within Facebook, has a photo, and it says, hey, click here or click submit to get the full details. And it pre-populates their name, their email, their phone number. And then they click submit. That's a landing page. That's essentially a landing page that's built in directly with Facebook. So you don't need a landing page.
Oh.
It's integrated. Say click submit to get the full list of details. But what you're going to do is you're going to take that URL from your MLS, right? And you're going to put it in the link on the thank you part after they've clicked submit. Then it's going to be like, click the link below to get the list of properties. And you're going to have it. So when they click it, then it automatically loads that URL.
Okay. I understand the concept, but I would not know how to set it up. Okay. Can that be the subject, the topic of our next meeting?
Yeah.
Next appointment is there a way that you can join me on Facebook, so to speak, and make it happen?
Yeah. Yeah. Zoom this. I would basically be able to click this right here and then share the screen. This could all be recorded and then you'd be able to see what I was talking about.
I like that idea. So it can be recorded, but at the same time, you're watching me do the Facebook, or you say, click there, Brad, or vice versa.
Exactly. I can be on your screen. I could be watching you and say, okay, drag your mouse over here, drag your mouse there, click this, click that.
Let's do that for next time.
Okay.
Okay.